Hi guys! Meron tayong Demon Slayer na resin na i-flex. Sa inyong harapan ay si Yurichi Sugikuni by Prince Kin Studio. Yurichi Sugikuni was the most powerful Demon Slayer to have ever existed. He is also the inventor of breathing styles, being the one who created the first ever breathing style, Sun Breathing, that would eventually become the Hinokami Kagura used by Tanjiro Kamado and members of the Kamado family. At ngayon mga kaibigan, tingnan nyo yung detail ng resin na ito. Makikita nyo ito yung background niya, yung sun, umiilaw yan guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung mga fire effects. At meron ditong mask ng mga swordsmith. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin yung kanyang detail from the hair. Ayan, merong mga reddish yung kanyang tip ng hair from the face. Makikita nyo meron din siyang scar. At ito yung kanyang kasuotan, yung kanyang hauri. At kung gusto nyo makita sa personal kung gaano kaganda itong resin na to, no, don't forget to visit us at the Mother Base here at Green Hills.